Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Simon and I'm an ethical hacker. And behind the camera lens is none other than cameraman Clint. Cameraman Clint, say hello to the people.
Hi guys.
Beautiful stuff. Guys, in today's video we have a special plan for you. We're going to take a trip down memory lane and talk about how Clint and I got to where we are today. And we couldn't have done that without your help. So we want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. So just click the button below. Now that you subscribe, let's talk about what you're going to see in the video. So in the video, Clint and I are going to be talking about our history and how we got to where we are today. And then we're going to give you guys some tips and tricks on how you can get to where we are today. And in ending, we're going to talk about future video plans. And if you like the ideas, leave a comment below. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Cameraman Clint's reveal. So without further ado, let me introduce to you Mr. Cameraman Clint!
Hey guys.
Guys, this is Cameraman Clint in the flesh. And now we're going to give you a little bit of a backstory about where we both came from. So I'll go first. I was born in a small town called Port Elizabeth on the coast of South Africa. My university career started when I started studying marine engineering at the local university there. Before I made the move to Stellenbosch to study computer science, where I would meet Cameraman Clint.
Hey guys, so I had a similar background. Grew up in a town called Milnerton. I always knew that I wanted to do something with maths, and I thought I was going to go into civil engineering. I decided after applying to uni to go the CS route, and I met this guy. So around about 4 years of long nights, coding projects, studying for exams. Yeah.
Guys, Clint and I actually met on the first day of university. We both studied computer science, but we had different double majors. Mine was statistics and Clint's was applied mathematics. Talk about some big brain energy there. I got my first taste of cybersecurity experience when I got an internship at a cybersecurity company in South Africa. I also started studying for the EJPT. If you guys want to see that video, just click the link below. I then completed the EJPT as well in my third year.
So in our final year, Simon and I both worked at a software company where we didn't get exactly cybersecurity experience. However, we did develop APIs and we also worked on web applications. So we learned a lot more about the tech that we hack today.
Guys, you won't believe what happened next. I got a call from a recruiter in London offering me a job, and the job was to do cybersecurity work in London. I was over the moon.
I was very happy when you told me about it, and as he was telling me about it, I received a call, and you wouldn't guess who was on the other side.
Okay guys, so we finally got through all of the rounds of interviews, signed the contracts, sent them off, got the job, and we finally made it to the great city of London.
Great amounts of rain, clouds, darkness, unbalanced hours of daylight.
But nothing fazed us because we couldn't be more excited to be doing cybersecurity work. Work as cybersecurity auditors.
Yeah, we were auditors.
Guys, we came to the unfortunate realization that we'll be spending our days in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. We could not stand this. So we did some recon and found out that the company we're working at currently does have an offensive security team.
Yes. So after finding this out, we did whatever we could to get in touch with the manager, and we showed him everything that we've done so far in our free time to prepare for life as a penetration tester.
So in order to get a spot on the team, we had to show the manager what we had done previously. So that was attack parts of the boxes we had done on Hack the Box, certifications, and a general sense of enthusiasm.
I initially only got in on a trial period, but I've just passed that now. Thanks.
So guys, that's been our journey to where we are today. And the next big step is starting the YouTube channel. And we couldn't be more thankful for all the support that we have already received.
Yeah guys, it takes a lot of time to edit these videos, and I must say all the support, the encouragement really helps. So big shout out, thank you to all of you guys.
Okay guys, so I have three tips and tricks for how you can land your first job in pen testing based on my experience. So first and foremost is I would highly recommend reading the job application. So when you see big flashy words like cyber security, don't immediately assume that it's pen testing or ethical hacking. As you've just heard, Clint and I had to learn the hard way that cybersecurity does not just mean pen testing or ethical hacking. There's a lot of different careers in that field, so make sure to read the fine print. Then number 2, I would recommend trying to get an internship somewhere if you can. It provides great experience. It's what I did personally and how I fell in love with cybersecurity, as you just heard. So I would highly recommend trying to get an internship. If you can't get one, try getting a job as an IT help desk consultant. That also will provide really good experience. So that's tip number 2. Tip number 3, I would say networking. So as I progress in my career, the saying, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know, becomes more and more prevalent in my life. So I wouldn't have got my first internship if it wasn't for a referral from someone. And to be honest, I wouldn't even know about the internship going on if it wasn't for this person. So that's why I really do stand by the saying. So those are my 3 tips to cybersecurity and how to get a job as a pen tester. If you have any other advice, leave it down in the comments below. Okay guys, let's talk about future videos for the channel. So Clint and I are thinking about bringing you guys a reconnaissance series, so things like OSINT, active enumeration, passive enumeration, so looking at subdomain enumeration, directory enumeration, those sorts of things, as well as more Wi-Fi hacking videos. So we actually have a video coming out on the Flipper Zero and how to hack Wi-Fi with the Flipper Zero. So if you want to see more videos on Flipper Zero, please do leave a comment below. And then more common vulnerabilities that you would find in internal pen tests or external pen tests, so cross-site scripting, for instance, and SQL injection. If you'd like to see more of those, please do leave a comment below. So yeah guys, let's get into the conclusion. Guys, thank you so much for making it to this point in the video. I just wanted to say a massive thank you for everyone that subscribed. And if you found this video informative, please consider giving a like to the channel. It really helps us grow. And if you haven't subscribed, now's a good time to subscribe as well. So we'll see you in the next video, and take care. Peace.